Guys, I'm looking at the National Weather Service chat and some of the reports now coming in, primarily flooding. There's been a few damage reports, but this one here, we're talking about the flash flood warning. This is in Evesham, water rescues. This was at 5:50, so not that long ago, on Green Tree Road due to the deep water.
Wow.
So people just getting caught by that flash flooding with those storms rolling through. So it really is the real deal out there where we have this storm. It looks like it's starting to dissipate. I'm going to show you that in a second. First, let me start you out with our camera. This is looking in Philadelphia to the south, and you see those dark skies, you see the dark clouds. The flash flood warning at this point does not include Philadelphia, but it's just on the other side of the river where we've seen this incredible rainfall. This storm system was producing heavy rain, and it was moving to the south, and now it just parked itself over Camden. Here's Philadelphia. Notice it's actually the outflow, it's called, from this is creating another storm. So it's just kind of sitting over Philly now, and who knows? We'll have to see if the National Weather Service, if this doesn't dissipate, they may extend some of that out a little bit farther to the west here. But look at the lightning strikes around Gloucester City and Camden. Here's Cherry Hill. That's another place that one of the reports was in terms of localized flooding. But notice over Evesham, this is where that water rescue was, and all the lightning and the heavy rain. Well, the lightning strikes have dissipated, which means the storm right here is starting to subside a little bit, but some of that outflow triggering it a little bit farther off to the west. And this is where we have that flash flood warning in effect until 8:45. And I'm sure there are many of you in this area that were outside, had your plans, your picnic, and when we were telling you, hey, some showers moving through, be ready to have backup if it moves through. Well, this one just sat. We did not expect it to sit, and that's what it's doing. And so it's just going to take some time before this thing gets out of here. A flood advisory elsewhere through Burlington County, but also, too, to show you how strong it is, you see this line, this light shade of green that's moving across essentially from Philadelphia all the way down to Atlantic City. This is what is called outflow. This is a gust front or a shelf cloud, and oftentimes that will help fuel other storms. It has not at this point, but I am tracking this. This is the movement of that storm. The storm was moving this far south, 20 miles per hour, and you can see that it just kind of stopped up here. So that's what we're going to be watching to see. The storm is showing signs of starting to dissipate, but it's not going to happen over the next 10 or 15 minutes. It's going to take a little time, and certainly all the water that it is producing is going to take time to get on out of here. So we're watching it. We'll continue to update you as we go into the next at least hour, maybe two. So we'll have to watch. 86 degrees in Philly right now. 87 is the temperature in Wilmington. Rain cool there in Trenton at 80 degrees. Feels like 84, but elsewhere where we don't have these rain showers, Reading, you guys feel like 95 at the moment. 90 in Allentown, down the shore, and 89 for Atlantic City, Millville at 91. So here's what we're saying for the rest of the evening, and it's not a one-size-fits-all because we have this place where we're dealing with the showers and storms. Take that aside, it's a mostly cloudy, if not partly cloudy sky. 82 degrees at 7 o'clock. 80 degrees by 9. Skies really clear out 9, 10, and even 11 tonight. We are not expecting overnight storms. We are not expecting them to go on and on and on 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. But right now, where we have those storms, as you well know, if you're listening to me and you hear the thunder outside and you see all the rain, it's just going to be a little more time. 91 degrees your day tomorrow. It's a hot and muggy day. A stray shower is certainly possible. I'd put that chance low, 20%, maybe 30%. We'll watch it, but right now trending is fairly dry. 91 degrees on Thursday. Each day as we get closer to the weekend, we up the chance a little bit for showers and storms. And Sunday looks like the greatest chance for some of those stronger storms and a little bit of breeze as well. Guys, we'll send it back over to you.